Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel HowToBrowser. In this video I'll show you how to upload shorts on YouTube from PC. Super simple process, so now let's jump right into the video without any introductions. So what you have to do is to tab on create and then tab on upload video. Perfect. And here just drag a video, drag your short right over this icon, so or select from select files your video. So that's what you have to do to upload a short on your YouTube channel, and now I'll show you how you can tell YouTube that what you uploaded right now is a short. Very simple. And now, okay, you uploaded your short on YouTube, right? Now this is your short, and now if you want to, so you want to tell YouTube that this is a short. Also, don't forget your short has to be under 1 minute. So here what you have to do is to simply write this hashtag short, and now you basically told YouTube that this video is a short, and is pretty much the same way you'll do it on your phone or on your Android. When you upload a short, it's the same way it will be identified as a short if you simply type hashtag shorts in your title and in your description as well. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Take care.